It's all about creating options. When you have a promising and talented student who aspires to get the best education out there, it's not prudent for us to say, no, we have what you need, our local HEIs, when we know that other schools abroad, because of experience and resources, can provide better education. So this fear of displacement, I think, is more intuitive than real. Iniisip ko lang ho yung ibang pamilya na wala hong pagkakataon na makapag-aral sa ibang bansa. Na ano ho kayo mangyayari kung ilapit natin dito, itong mga GECs. Hindi ko sinasabi hindi magaling ang local HEIs natin, pero may mga areas of study na interesado naman, hindi naman po inaalok ng mga HEIs natin. Ba't hindi natin ilapit dito? Hindi naman natin nire-require itong mga estudyante na pumasok sa mga GECs eh. Kung ayaw na sa GECs, doon sila sa HEIs. Wala naman namang pamimilit dito eh. It's all about choices eh, and opportunity. And I feel that for the longest time that we have been this protectionist mentality. We're so scared. But ang nagsasuffer po sa atin, yung mga mamamayan natin, na hindi sila nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na umangat. Ang hirap naman isipin na tayong Pilipinas, eh, we're still protectionist. Eh, yung mundo, lumiliit na nga. Lumilit ang mundo, eh, we're so interconnected. And yet, we want to think that we are all that. We're getting better, but we are not all that. And that's why we have an education crisis. Yun ang aking perspective na sana mabigyan ng pagkakataon. Ang gusto ko lang sana, mas maging inclusive ito. Na hindi lang ang makikinabang yung mga mas nakakaangat sa buhay, yung middle class. Diba? Kasi kung pag inisip nyo, GECs, mahal yan eh. What if they have resources? And you incentivize it, and they provide more scholarships, and everybody wins. Naniniwala din ako, yung sinasabi, yung pagtatambal ng government, education, and industry. And this is a step in the right direction. For the longest time, our doors have been closed to foreign investments in education. This is the one thing that we haven't tried. So we should try it. No law will be perfect when it is launched. Everything is experimental. It's just a matter of tweaking it so it gets to where it wants to go.